The gaming community has been abuzz with anticipation surrounding the potential release of the Nintendo Switch 2. While Nintendo has maintained a steadfast silence regarding the console's existence, a plethora of rumors and speculative leaks have emerged, providing tantalizing glimpses into what gamers might expect from this highly anticipated successor to the immensely popular Nintendo Switch. These whispers from the industry have fueled speculation about a range of potential features, including enhanced hardware capabilities, new controller designs, and a more robust online infrastructure. The prospect of a more powerful console, coupled with innovative gameplay mechanics, has ignited excitement among both casual and hardcore gamers alike. As the gaming world eagerly awaits official confirmation or denial from Nintendo, the rumors and leaks continue to stoke the flames of anticipation, leaving fans to ponder the possibilities that the Nintendo Switch 2 may hold. One of the most persistent rumors surrounding Switch 2 is its potential resemblance to its predecessor. While the exact details remain shrouded in secrecy, leaked images have hinted at a design that closely mirrors the current Switch console. This familiar form factor could be a strategic move by Nintendo, ensuring a seamless transition for existing Switch owners. A slightly thinner and lighter build is expected, offering improved portability without sacrificing the core gaming experience. This design change could be driven by advancements in hardware technology, allowing for more powerful components to be packed into a smaller footprint. By maintaining a similar form factor, Nintendo aims to minimize the learning curve for gamers who have already become accustomed to the Switch's unique hybrid design. The upcoming Nintendo Switch 2 is poised to deliver a substantial upgrade in both display quality and controller functionality. A larger, higher-resolution screen is anticipated, offering a more immersive gaming experience, especially for handheld play. The increased screen size and improved resolution will bring games to life with greater detail and clarity, enhancing the overall visual fidelity. In addition to the display improvements, the Switch 2 is rumored to feature enhanced Joy-Cons with improved battery life and haptics. These enhancements aim to address some of the criticisms associated with the current generation's controllers, such as short battery life and limited haptic feedback. By providing longer-lasting batteries and more nuanced haptic sensations, the new Joy-Cons will contribute to a more comfortable and enjoyable gaming experience. The gaming landscape is evolving rapidly, demanding consoles that can handle increasingly complex and visually stunning games. To meet this challenge, Nintendo is poised to release the Switch 2, a successor to the wildly popular Switch. The new console is expected to deliver a significant upgrade in processing power and graphics capabilities. A more powerful processor will enable the Switch 2 to handle demanding games with ease, ensuring smoother gameplay and reduced loading times. Additionally, an upgraded graphics chip will allow for higher resolutions and frame rates, resulting in a more immersive and visually appealing gaming experience. Nintendo has confirmed that the Switch 2 will maintain backward compatibility with existing Switch games. This means that gamers can seamlessly transition to the new console without having to rebuild their entire game libraries. This feature is a significant advantage, as it allows players to continue enjoying their favorite titles on the latest hardware. While Nintendo has yet to officially unveil its upcoming console, the Nintendo Switch 2, anticipation and speculation surrounding its release and pricing continue to grow. One persistent rumor suggests that the Switch 2 could command a price tag of $499 at launch. If true, this would mark a significant departure from the more affordable pricing strategy Nintendo has traditionally adopted for its consoles. Regarding the release window, early 2025 appears to be a common prediction among industry analysts and enthusiasts. February or March are often mentioned as potential launch months. However, it's crucial to emphasize that these are merely speculations, and Nintendo has not confirmed any specific release date. Until the company makes an official announcement, the exact pricing and release timing of the Nintendo Switch 2 remains shrouded in uncertainty. As fans eagerly await more concrete details, the gaming community continues to speculate and discuss the potential implications of these rumored specifications.